Are you still looking for that virtual event platform for your next big event? Have you already tried different demonstration sessions with different platform providers, but then are still missing something from their products? If this has been the journey so far, I think your quest ends here. Hi, my name is Jamil Khan, and I'm the Corporate Support Manager at Valiant Business Media UK. We have been in the event industry for more than a decade now, and we primarily do conferences and exhibitions across the globe in different domains. As COVID started, we did realize that we have to also find an alternate solutions for our clients to get them connected with each other, and then we switched to virtual events. We did try our options with different providers, but then would usually end finding out that they have something which is missing from the product. Until we met vFairs. I personally think we cannot and should not recommend something which we have not tried ourselves. As of now, it has been more than 2 years with vFairs since we started our journey with them, and we have successfully completed more than 5 successful events across different domains. Our clients are happy, we are happy, and the best part is the software is not only easy to use, or the platform is not only easy to use, it is the staff that is going to help you in everything that you're doing with the software itself. So people like Zain Kamran, they will ensure that everything that you are looking or trying to do with the platform, you have someone to actually guide you through, not just making you rely on the videos or the help topics that they have on the website. So I would personally recommend vFairs. I wish them best of luck. And I also wish you best of luck with whatever you are planning to do, and have a successful journey with vFairs, and take care.